Welcome to AI Business Radar. This is not just another tech channel. This is your daily guide to understanding how artificial intelligence is transforming the world of business. Every day, in the last 24 hours, something new has happened. A startup launched a bold new product. A company secured funding. A tool was released that could change the way we work, build, or invest. We track these changes as they happen. We gather the most important business news from around the world. And with the help of advanced AI tools, we analyze it. We simplify it. Then we turn it into practical insights, so you don't have to waste time searching for what matters. AI Business Radar is built for the doers, for the dreamers, for the people who want to create something new or simply stay ahead of the curve. Whether you are a beginner, just starting to explore the world of startups, or a seasoned entrepreneur looking for your next breakthrough idea, this channel is here to support you. We believe that artificial intelligence is not just for big tech companies. It is for everyone. Creators, developers, investors, teachers, students, anyone with a problem to solve, a product to build, or a dream to follow. And we believe that you deserve clarity. That you deserve to know what is happening today, not last week. That you deserve analysis you can trust. Fast, accurate, and made possible by the very tools we talk about. This channel is fully powered by AI. From the research to the summaries, from the headlines to the insights, we use advanced language models to filter out the noise, to connect the dots, and to show you the opportunities behind the headlines. And what makes us different is that we are focused on you, the builder, the founder, the curious mind, who wants to understand how this technology can help you grow. Every video you'll watch here is designed to inspire action, to give you ideas you can build on, to show you tools you can test, to point you toward trends that matter, because the world is changing faster than ever before. And in this new world, being early matters, being informed matters, but most of all, being clear-headed and ready to act matters. We are not just here to inform you. We are here to give you confidence. Confidence to start your first project. Confidence to test a new business idea. Confidence to use AI as a partner in your journey, not a threat. The age of AI is not something coming in the future. It is already here, and it is creating a wave of opportunity for those who are paying attention. At AI Business Radar, we are here to make sure you are one of them. So if you are ready to learn, to grow, and to see what is possible when you combine your creativity with the power of artificial intelligence, then subscribe now. Let us show you what happened in the last 24 hours. Let us show you what it means, and let us help you use it to build something great. This is AI Business Radar. We analyze the day so you can design the future.